Tackle your toughest cleaning tasks and spray your way to a greener, cleaner yard and home with the Pressure Joe SPX 3001 electric pressure washer from Sun Joe. Just squeeze Pressure Joe's trigger and blast your way through dirt, debris, mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it. You aim it. Grime is gone. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles for intense jet to gentle spray. Pressure Joe easily washes away stubborn gunk and grime. You name it, you aim it. Grime is gone. Clean efficiently with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Fill the onboard detergent tank to get even more dirt blasting power. From porch to patio, siding, sidewalks, wooden decks, docks, lawn furniture, cars, trucks, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Equipped with a built-in hose reel, Pressure Joe makes it easy to wind its 20-foot hose for faster cleanup and neater storage. At only 32 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels effortlessly from one dirty job to the next. You name it. You aim it. Grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the power, performance, and versatility you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
The Worx Hydroshot is your 20-volt max lithium portable power cleaner and comes with everything you see here. It comes with a charger and a 20-volt battery, the short wand, an extended wand, a multi-spray nozzle, a 20-foot hose, and a convenient carrying bag. I'm going to take you through and show you how to attach each wand and what they're for, as well as some optional accessories that you can purchase for your Hydroshot. Now what you want to do first is fully charge your 20-volt max lithium battery. Once it's charged, you can begin to assemble your Hydroshot. Now, you want to first attach the hose, which is very simple and easy. You just press it in, has a quick connect, and now it's connected. And you can put your hose into any fresh water source. Now, we're first going to use the short wand. And this is for low pressure settings or watering plants and flowers. Simply line it up, push it in, and turn it. And then you can put your multi-spray nozzle on, and it clicks in, pull the brass ring back, pops into place. Now it's locked into place, and you have 5 pressure settings for all of your cleaning and watering needs. Now for higher pressured cleaning jobs, you want to use the extended wand. And you simply remove the short wand and you attach that to the extended wand, and then you attach the extended wand to your Hydroshot. And that's great for cleaning cars, boats, gutters, concrete, you name it. Now another great feature of the Hydroshot is the ability to use your own garden hose for higher pressure settings. Simply remove the quick connect, grab a set of pliers, remove the nozzle, and then attach your garden hose to the Hydroshot, and you're ready to go to work. A great optional accessory for your Hydroshot is the short tube, and this makes your Hydroshot fully portable and transportable. You simply remove the nozzle, and you screw this into your Hydroshot, and this will fit any 2-liter bottle, making your Hydroshot fully portable and transportable. A great accessory for your Hydroshot is the scrubbing brush, and you simply remove the short or the extended wand, attach the brush, and that is great for any of your deeper cleaning or scrubbing needs. A great accessory for your Hydroshot is the soap dispenser and squeegee, and that's great for cleaning all of your outdoor glass and windows. You simply remove your wand, fill your soap dispenser with soap or cleaning solution, attach it to your Hydroshot, and you're ready to clean. The Worx Hydroshot is your portable power cleaner and is all part of the Worx 20-volt Power Share program. You can use your 20-volt max lithium battery on all other Worx 20-volt products and tools.
Introducing the 13-amp 1600 psi electric pressure washer from Greenworks tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the Quick Connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1600 psi pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1600 psi pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning projects with ease with the Sunjoe SPX 4001 electric pressure washer, featuring exclusive pressure select technology. Packed with 1,800 watts of pure cleaning power, the 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every last bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Remove mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. 5 Quick Connect tips allow you to go from intense jet to gentle spray to suit the cleaning task. And the onboard 54.1 fluid ounce detergent tank lets you dial in just the right amount of detergent to give your cleaning blast a boost. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Featuring Sunjoe's exclusive pressure select technology. The SPX 4001 lets you select the perfect pressure to combat dirt and grime. Choose from 2 powerful cleaning options. Low, 1,450 psi for everyday dirt, grease, and grime. And high, 2,030 psi to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. Other exclusive features include the built-in Total Stop power-saving system, designed to save energy and prolong pump life when the trigger is not engaged. And when the work's all done, simply wind it all back up with a convenient onboard hose reel for faster cleanup and neater storage. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe, the SPX 4001 electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Meet the all-new Karcher K1700. Electric and easy to use with the power and durability to get things done. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The K1700 generates 1,700 psi of true pressure cleaning power. Restore your home's exterior, and then clean your patio furniture and garage doors. The K1700 quickly cleans your car, your kids' play areas, and your house, deck, and driveway. Karcher. Cleaner. Quicker. The lightweight and portable K1700 has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of Quick Connect nozzles, a removable detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections. With oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you're done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle, and a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. Karcher pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference.